Hey everyone, I'm Steel Lafferty with MasterCraft. Today, I'll be walking you through the latest addition to our NXT family of towboats, the NXT21. The NXT21 boasts best-in-class weight performance, a brand new hybrid bow design, comfortable seating for up to 14, and it's easy to tow and store. The NXT21 is your family's perfect opportunity to experience MasterCraft's best innovations at an approachable price point. The NXT21 features SurfStar, a revolutionary surf system loved by surfers worldwide due to its strength, accuracy, and ease of use. With the SurfStar on the NXT21, you can create the most customizable waves in the industry for any skill level at the touch of a button. Even better, the NXT21 is a balanced performer offering clean, consistent wakes for any wakeboarder in your crew. And new for 2024, SurfStar includes built-in foiling profiles for both left and right side riders. The 2024 NXT21 offers more options to make your wave your way. Say goodbye to surf right and surf left. We've upgraded our surf software on the NXT family to give riders more customization. The NXT21 now has 3 rapid wave options on each side to accommodate all skill levels. The NXT21 comes with the option of a pop-up ski pylon for even more fun behind the boat. It makes it easy to hook up a tube, and you'll love that it easily raises and lowers with one small twist. When you're ready to get in and out of the water, your crew can do so with ease thanks to an optional flip-down swim step on the NXT21. Best-in-class comfort continues once inside the NXT21. With seating for up to 14 people, the NXT21 Cockpit provides plenty of space, under-seat storage, and a built-in cooler location for a larger crew. Plus, an optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to enjoy conversation in the boat or watch the action behind it. Don't forget, you can keep your family cool on the hottest of days with an upgrade to Cool Feel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than the standard marine vinyl. With MasterCraft, there's no need to shy away from those darker vinyl options that fit best with your custom design. We've got you covered. New for 2024, the NXT21 now comes standard with our advanced audio package. 4 speakers and a subwoofer are spread throughout the boat for high-quality acoustic entertainment. A second subwoofer can be added under the helm area for an even better experience. The NXT21 comes with MasterCraft's Z6 tower. The Z6 tower comes standard with easy-to-use, redesigned clamping board racks. Option for the silver and black racks to customize your tower and tie it into your design. Combined with our updated Bimini board storage, you're getting 10 spots for boards, the most storage in the industry. To enhance your ride, load your tower with up to 4 speakers for the ultimate experience behind the boat. Lastly, the tower speakers can be upgraded to our new M80 cans featuring 8.5-inch drivers, a new offering for the 2024 model year. For 2024, the NXT21 has a completely refreshed dash for an amazing experience behind the wheel. An intuitive 7-inch touchscreen display replaces our previous 4.3-inch display. This really elevates the entire helm experience. With an updated SurfStar interface, NXT21 captains now have visual surf wave graphics and wave controls built into the dash. Plus, the NXT21 dash now has integrated music controls, eliminating the need for separate radio controls. And all the boat controls are also built into the new display, giving the captain full control of everything they need in one place. New for 2024, captains now have a standard wireless phone charger in the NXT21 helm to keep their phones fully powered. And you can add 4 additional wireless chargers in the cockpit for your whole crew. The NXT21 comes standard with telematics, allowing remote access to your boat's health and vitals anywhere in the world, all through the MasterCraft Connect app. The telematics box in your NXT21 shows critical boat data like battery and fuel levels, build status, and engine health, all while keeping your local dealer up to speed with your service needs. And new for 2024, digital switching is integrated into telematics, meaning you can remotely control your boat's battery switch. Plus, you can receive notifications for critical alarms and GPS geofencing alerts. The NXT21 features a brand new hybrid bow design, providing more storage and seating capacity for your whole crew. An open walkway leads into the bow, but you can opt for a filler cushion if playpen seating works better for your family's lifestyle. Lastly, there's plentiful storage throughout the bow, and we have dedicated anchor storage on centerline. The NXT21 is developed with the highest quality materials and tested relentlessly. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver an unparalleled ride and drive, and undoubtedly the best on-water experience there is. With NXT21, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, and graphics, and opt for a backup camera, electronic brakes, or a tire pressure monitoring system for a premium towing experience. Every captain will love that MasterCraft has their back behind the wheel. The NXT21 comes with MasterCare, a top-of-the-line 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. This also includes an unrivaled engine warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. And the commitment to our customer doesn't stop once a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the country and the world to ensure you get the best customer experience out there. Thanks for joining me today to learn more about the NXT21. Whether you're new to boating or you're looking for an upgrade, the NXT21 can provide your family with the performance, comfort, connectivity, and convenience you expect from MasterCraft, all at the price point you're looking for. To learn more about the NXT21, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head to mastercraft.com.